Hey, class of 2024, congratulations on an incredible achievement. My biggest piece of advice as you enter this exciting new chapter of your life, be humble enough to take advice from those that came before you. There's a lot to learn, there's a lot more room to grow, and you'll find that there's a lot of people willing to give advice and teach you if you just, take the time to listen and learn from them.
Hi, Pamplin. Happy graduation. My advice to you when you graduate is to commit yourself fully each day to work. To achieve that perfect work-life balance, it's all about being fully invested in your work each day so that at the end of a long work day, you can shift your focus 100% to your personal endeavors or hobbies, like watching Hokie football on the weekends. Hello, Hokies, and congratulations as you're nearing graduation. If I could give you one piece of advice, it would be to put yourself in a position to get lucky. As you're entering this stage of your career, you'll be exposed to so many new opportunities, so many learning lessons. I think the best thing you can do is put yourself in the right position to get lucky, go for the gold, and go Hokies.
Congratulations, Hokies. My one piece of advice would be to continue to build your network. That means keeping in touch with Hokies that you've already met, meeting new Hokies, meeting colleagues outside of maybe your work division, attending various networking events at your new role. I cannot tell you the number of times that I've heard and personally experienced how impactful and powerful networking can be. So I would recommend doing that as you start your new role.
Hey Hokies, congratulations on almost graduating. I remember this was a really exciting time for me, so I hope you guys feel the same way. And I wanted to give you guys some advice that I wish I had when I was your age, and that is to try not to compare yourself too much to others. Up until this point, you and your friends, all went to the same schools and took similar classes and did similar activities. But you'll notice when you graduate and get a little bit older that you guys will start to venture off into your own paths. And that is totally okay, and it's inevitable and natural. So just focus on yourself and do what makes you happy and things that will make you grow as a person.
Congratulations, Pamplin graduates. Huge accomplishment, and just wanted to give you a quick word of advice getting into the next chapter of your all's lives. And as you start your careers, I think it's a big value to do things early on, like pay yourself first. So setting yourself up for success with short-term, intermediate, and long-term goals, I think has big value if you're able to do that earlier on. Kind of the set it and forget it mindset will set you up for a lot of great things for the future. Congratulations again, and go Hokies.
Hey Hokies, it's Christina Daly here. I want to first of all congratulate each of you on your upcoming graduation. My piece of advice is to make sure you remember that your coworkers, your superiors, your colleagues, they're all people just like you who have interests and hobbies and motivations. So be sure to be yourself, don't be intimidated by them, and to go up, introduce yourself, and get to know them, especially during those first couple of weeks. Good luck with graduation. Bye everyone. Go Hokies, woo!
Hey Pamplin seniors, Luke Voivoda here. Congratulations on graduating and best of luck with the rest of the year. One piece of advice that I want to share with you before you enter into the real world is to say yes to new experiences. Maybe it's going out to do something fun with your friends. Maybe it's going to do something fun with your coworkers. Maybe it's even saying yes to being on a new type of project that you've never done before. Whatever it is, you would never know what saying yes to something now is going to be able to do for you later on in the future. Saying yes to things has an incredible ripple effect that's hard to understand in the moment. So again, while you're entering this new chapter of life, say yes to new experiences, try new things, and have a great time while doing so. Best of luck with the rest of the year.
Hey seniors, I wanted to come on here and share the importance of not being so hard on yourself. Some days we have 95% battery, while others we may only have 30%. What matters is that you be productive within those limits and try to avoid burnout. Congratulations, Hokies.
Hello from Columbia and happy graduation 2024 Pamplin grads. My advice for you is advice that has served me well. Surround yourself with people that love you and people that build you up. I think sometimes what gets lost amidst the shuffle of approaching post-graduation and all the highs that can come with it, such as getting your own place, moving to a new city, creating a new friend group, discovering parts of your identity, are that you're also going to go through some of the toughest challenges of your life And that's why it's crucial to have people around you that will support you and build you up so that you can head to the life path you've always wanted to. Cheers, happy graduation, and I hope to see you out here.
Hi Hokies, congratulations on your upcoming graduation. My advice to you is to remember that your network is your net worth. So when you enter your first job, make sure you prioritize networking and don't forget to network both vertically and horizontally.
Congratulations, guys. Really excited for you. Graduation is going to be so much fun. If I were to give one piece of advice to those graduating and entering the workforce, it would be to be a sponge when it comes to opportunities for projects or jobs that might not be in your job description when you started work. You never know who those people might be that you're helping out and what they could do for you down the road in terms of being a sponsor or mentor. So enjoy the ride. Really excited for you guys.